Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Sign into Discord with your account on desktop or mobile. Open the server or direct message where you want to post the picture. Confirm the image file is JPEG, PNG, GIF, or WEB, and under 8 MB to avoid upload errors. If sending larger files, consider compressing to reduce size before sending. Enable two-factor authentication and check privacy settings to control who can message you. Also verify upload permissions in the server channel settings before attempting to post. Drag and drop the image file into the Discord window or click the plus icon next to the message box to upload. Use the file chooser to select images and review the preview that appears before sending. In the preview, you can crop, rotate, or add a short caption and then press enter to upload. Mention users with @ to notify them and add channels or roles if needed. If the image exceeds limits, compress it or use an external link and paste the URL into chat. Open the Discord mobile app and tap the plus icon in the message bar to attach media. Choose Gallery to pick existing photos or Camera to take a new picture and select multiple images if desired. Review the preview, add a caption, then tap the send arrow to post in chat or DM. Long press a sent image to save to your device, react with emoji, delete the message, or copy the image link. For private sharing, always use direct messages and confirm channel upload permissions beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.